for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, so this is one of the tools that I've actually covered before. I always tell James that I try to do like follow-up, tool reviews, and this was a tool that we bought like brand new, probably about 10 months ago, 8 months ago, a little while ago. And we've used it, and dude, I'll tell you what, it's probably one of the better fish tapes I've used out there. The nice part is it'll go through there with different kinds of material like flex or seal tight, stuff like that. So I kind of had a story with this one. The reason I wanted to do it this week, we were pushing through like a whole bunch of flex, and it just kept going. It kept going, and I kept telling them to push on it and everything, and finally I hooked it and I pulled it out, and I tell you what, I would have never got through that flex if it wasn't for this. It really shined, really showed up for the party, and I was really impressed. That was one of the only tools that saved me, and so it meant a lot to showcase this item, not necessarily just say, hey, I used this fish tape one time, but actually say, if you want a good fish tape that can get you through flex, get you through pipes and raceways that already have conductors installed, this is the one that's really going to do it, is this Milwaukee. It's not a fiberglass. I wanted to say it was a fiberglass. It's actually polyester, I believe. And like I say, probably one of the best fish tapes out there for pretty much anything you want to do. And like I say, I recommend it to a friend. I recommend it to anybody out there. It works great. I really like it.
So you're actually going to give a Milwaukee a high rating?
I don't know. What do you think, Daniel? Have you used the polyester Milwaukee yet?
I have. The company provided one, and it was pretty good. I liked it.
Awesome.